This 2017 American Coach American Revolution 42S is a Class A RV. It is located in Attalla, Alabama, 35954 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Gadsden. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used American coach is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2017 American Coach American Revolution 42S is built on a Freightliner XCM chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.